Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a little share that I made this Rolodex purse. I don't know where I got the dye from. I know it's AliExpress, but I don't know what store. So on Instagram, I was challenged by N Does Crafts, and she was doing a challenge there to use something blue, glitter, and Mod Podge in a project, and then just share it. So this is my share. I did share the pictures on YouTube, not YouTube, sorry, Instagram, and I'm doing the video here. But yeah, so I did make these memory decks as part of a sequin challenge that I had joined in, and so I figured why not incorporate the dare as well. And it's just easy things. I think she's gonna do it weekly, maybe just using 3 different items or mediums to craft something. The paper that I did use for the memory decks, the layering, is from a hot buy pad, and I think it's called Feeling Nautical or Naughty. I think it's nautical, but it's naughty, Nauti, like a form of nautical. Too funny. Anyway, so I did use glitter paper for the zipper you just saw on the back, but I don't know. It just said glitter, so I thought, oh, maybe I just better use glitter too. So at first I used glitter glue, and it wasn't shiny enough for me, so I then add chunks of glitter, which I end up Mod Podging on. So I end up using the glitter, I end up using Mod Podge, and I end up using something blue, which is the paper and the layering. But yeah. Focus. Sorry, my camera takes a while to focus in on stuff. But that's the glitter glue I used. And I just ran the heat over it a couple times to like speed it up for drying. And then I realized, oh, it's not shiny enough. So I ended up getting the glitter, and then I ended up Mod Podging it to seal the glitter on the handle. That's where I added the glitter. See it there on the handle. So I first adhered it with that glitter glue you saw me using. Focus. See, it takes a while. I'm sorry, guys. But there you go. And then I just end up adding Mod Podge on the top so that none of the glitter continues to flake off. That's the glitter I used. I think I got it from Michael's a few years ago. And there's the Mod Podge. I probably got it at the dollar store. Actually, I probably got it from a convention. And, you know, that's it. So you can check it out on IG. I'll leave the way to get there in the description box below. Like the video if you do, and shakas till the next video.